Alright, welcome to the channel, Secret DIY here. And today on this episode I'm going to be making a fence. But I'm doing it out of reclaimed timber because things are expensive at the moment. So, as you've seen in the intro there, I've just been cutting everything down, all my slats. And all I'm doing is just cutting all the rot out, so I've got none of this malarkey going on here. It's all solid, as you can see, that one, solid. So, cut all my slats at once, I measured them all down. I've done a set a thing up here so I can get repeated cuts. So that's all sorted now. So with all my stuff cut down at once, now we're on to painting. So I'll be cracking on with that. So they're all that's I'm going to be painting now. Ready to go on my fence. I've already half built to be honest. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you how to put the lats on, how to reclaim timber and what I'm doing. That's the stuff I'm using. Cooperall, water off a duck's back it's called, funnily enough. Anyway, so that's the water based paint, dead easy to put on. Just put it on, it soaks in, give it a couple of coats and your lats are ready. I've decided to do these individually before I put them on, so I can get a good coat on all these ready, and make sure I get a good couple of coats on them ready for them to go on, because I've got last chance of rotting. And also you get stuck into all these end grain bits ready for the capping to go on. So that said, I'll get cracked on. So, at last, finally getting somewhere now. So basically, dug out the wire, put the wire into the ground. I've gone and cleaned everything up, got rid of all the weeds, and I've also gone and started repainting all the fence which I showed you, and got all the bits and bobs done. So all that's sorted now. I've repainted the fence panels as well, and now I'm basically on to the part where I'm going to start putting the panels on. The fence panels on, and I'm going to be putting them all across here now. So basically, let me hold on. I'm basically all I'm going to do is this here, right. So I put a string line going right across to that post over there, and all I'm going to do is basically I'm just going to put one of my panels, put a panel up here like so, and to keep everything straight, all I'm going to do is put it underneath the string line here, and all I do then is put this here like so, put that against there, up against the string line here, and then pull that out. That gives me the same gap going right across. I don't know if you can see it. So that gives me the same gap. Let's put that there. That gives me the same gap going right across, and then all I'll do is I'll just drill in. So with that said, I'm going to get cracked on and get this job finished. Happy days. So that's it for this video today. I'd just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.